Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. For your new, like, share, and subscribe. If you're new, give thanks for the support for any longer time. So what you know, you see the video, you know what the video is all about. So what you want to like, share, and drop a comment on the video, yeah, because the video is gonna be epic moment, and we just want to experience a moment already. So just like, share, and comment down below in the description. As we say, if you don't know, like, share, subscribe. For the don't new, big up for the support and the long time. Thanks for the support, for the business support. We understand, so we'll leave out right now and we'll find out the gender. Yes, kind of late for your appointment, but none of it's really late yet, so I need to go there now. Let's go. Yeah, see you there. Hello, Dicky man.
Let us begin. First things first, the cervix. Baby presentation. Parietal diameter. It says 20 weeks. Head circumference. Report. Baby is 20 weeks, 1 day. Expected date of delivery 1st of December 2023. November 3rd. November 3rd. That is off. Anyway. December, it's a December picnic. Jenny, the gender. Everybody wants to know the gender. Honestly, no one. You don't know. Everybody blue or pink. Gender isn't always easy to tell. Especially on a moving baby. Sometimes you make a mistake when you do the ultrasound. Say one gender when it's the next gender. I don't want to make that mistake. Really don't want to make that mistake. But before we done, we will tell you. Because I have enough more something for that. Enough more. What Jenny, how are you?
God gave me.
Beautiful answer. The sky is great. The sky is great. Everything God gave. Can God know best, not so? And so far it looks like a girl. We'll see if it continues to look like a girl. As I go through the exam, I keep checking back. But so far it looks like a girl. So far. so far. Let me see if she will grow up penis by the time I'm done. Alright, so.
Alright guys, welcome back to Care TV. Don't know already, me I will go on the vlog them. You understand? So guys, I wanna see we from when from old. How long now they must be?
9 months.
How much?
9 months.
I wanna see over 9 months. Now I go happy, take time cause you know I go, baby J is sleeping. Yes. Guys, so we go up on the road. Go grab something if you consume and come back. Not take long because I don't really want to stay long for now, so just go grab something and come back fast and quick. And I go, she did asleep, wish we could have shown her now. She just but she's right here though. In her look or something. You know see her right ago. She's so her crib there right here so you know don't like set up yet. But her crib that I'ma come back me like set up it, finish set up it. You know see a video on that though, but his babe. You know see a video. She will talk her experience and all of that thing we go. No, I mean I look so weird. Like and I go. Alright guys, so we're in our town now. So soon when we reach back. Alright, I go.
All this papa.
They want to go experience all this.
Don't know.
Eh? You want to come back early or something? Yeah, go back outside there. Yeah. Alright guys, so today I get bin. Never really plan for this. You know, look a big shopping. But we get a bin. So just a walk and a look around, you know. You know where you go. Fork and spoon. You can get fork and spoon. Come, you ready for cash now?
You see them?
You not even say hello to the brag.
Hello vlog. I mean guys.
People should not miss none at all. Oh, me miss no do. Oh, get where you want then? Tomorrow we see them. Come. So guys, we are cashing right now. Cash. So, guys, the moment I'm making this face over, rain start fall. So just the one give me the flag here, rain or no rain. So we are walking on the road right now. We are going checking around with there look for like curtain rod and them something there. We go downtown to buy food, you know, and we end up buy like curtain rod. We gotta look for a bunch of things like table. One bag of something there I look for, but We just are going to look around, so I'm not going to watch the vlog, please, to the end. Please, me, we're going to please, I'm going to expect more, just expect more vlog from from now on, right? Me especially, I'll go and vlog them, yeah, because Christmas now, and over, so especially fans them over here. You guys, big up on yourself, really, really love you. Everybody will go over to our TV and follow. I appreciate everybody. You understand? Big up everybody. Heart I love to everybody. And just watch the vlog, enjoy the vlog. Remember, we soon see baby J very, very soon.